What you see here is an old Jacksonville Savanah series ceiling fan. 107 centimeters, polished brass finish with these beautiful stencil blades, antique white blades. Fortunately, some of them are scratched. Variable speed, cardboard box. This one's powered by a General Electric 5K CP39EG stack motor. Go ahead and turn it on the lowest. However, you can see it doesn't do much. So I have to turn this. There we go. So pretty much on the very lowest, all the way back, it stalls, but as you can see, some of the blades are bent. One of them is bent upwards. One of them, or maybe two of them, are bent a little bit downwards off to the side. So this thing does have a bit of a wobble to it. Actually a bit, more like pretty crazy wobble to it. I can make it go slower than that, actually. The slowest that's actually the slowest it can go, about right here. Yeah, that right there is about the slowest I can get it to go, because anything less than that, it'll just stall out. I'll go ahead and turn it up about a quarter turn. Go ahead and turn up about a quarter turn. That's not even the fastest, and you can see it already has a wobble to it. But yeah, the blades are pretty bent. You can see there. We'll give it a little bit more of a turn here. And we'll go ahead and put it to its highest. Alright, we'll go ahead and shut it off, let it spin down for you. Shut it off with the wall switch. Now you can see, if you watch the blade, you can just see which ones are bent. I know 2 of them are bent up pretty badly.